Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the reception of the Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum. Nagbabalik po kami after a long while to give way to our awards night. No? Kung nakarang awards night, wherein pinarangalan po natin ang mga pambagong atletang Pilipino na nagsipagbagi noong nagkataon. Ako po si Randy Kaluwag at kasama po ang partner. Good morning.
Good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association. Sa ngalan po ng aming Pangulo, si Francis Ochoa, at lahat ng mga miyembro ng ating Philippine Sports Writers Association. Welcome to the new season of our PSA Forum. And what a way to resume our session in this newly renovated, very beautiful PSC Media Room. Sana magkakasama tayo through our live streaming at PSA Facebook page. Likewise, on a delayed basis over Sports Radio 918, Judy Karingal po.
At this morning, ngayong umaga po ay pag-usapan natin we will have two sessions, two-part session po tayo this morning. Kasama po ang opisyal ng National Academy of Sports at ang mga pangunguna po sa isang programa ng isa sa pangunahing developers sa Pilipinas for their esports program. Ayan. And before that, nais po natin pasalamatan natin mga sponsors, ang San Miguel Corporation, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, Arena Plus, and Milo Philippines.
And yes, what a way to start our session this 2026. We will welcome a group who will be celebrating yung Vermosa Victory Games. Diba? We have a set of guests for today. So let's all welcome ang una-muna ang General Manager ng Ayala Vermosa Sports Hub, Ma'am Lani Tan. Hello! We have also Sir Jay Beren. Okay, siya po yung tournament cheerleading ng Vermosa Victory Games. We have Miss Ronnie Ticada, Project Manager ng Exemplar Sports. And of course, a good friend of PSA, nagbabalik si Robbie Rivera. He is the founder and CEO of Exemplar Sports. So let's talk about this Vermosa Victory Games. Please, Robbie, good morning and welcome back to the PSA Forum.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So, first of all, allow us to thank you, the Philippine Sports Writers Association, for this warm opportunity to talk about our topic for today. And more importantly, for continuing yung mission on promoting Philippine sports. We really appreciate that. So, kagaya po na sinabi ni ma'am, my name is Robbie De Vera. In my last capacity, I was the head of the Milo Sports program, and I was last year, that was I think in the Southeast Asian Games 2019. But now I'm with this company called Exemplar Sports. So we are a startup, and we're a sports marketing and management organization. And we predominantly what we do is sports events alongside sports marketing initiatives. No? So we're very happy to be here because we are talking about our partnership with Ayala Vermosa and the Ayala Vermosa Sports Hub. So last year, in that partnership, the goal of the partnership is to bring Vermosa's vision to life, to make it a home for premier sports and for a life that thrives dun sa kanilang residential community. So that being said, we launched last year, if you take a look at the screen, we launched our Vermosa Active Life. So Vermosa Active Life po is a vibrant lifestyle situated around the estate using its diverse and international sports venues. Our Vermosa Active Life has 3 pillars. No? So we started last year with our Vermosa Vitality Retreat. What that is, it's a 30-hour retreat for athletes as well as active individuals to reset and to revitalize themselves in a series of programs kagaya po ng contrast therapy, sound healing, physical therapy, pati meditation. We will have a series of vitality retreats throughout the year. Coming up soon, we also have the Vermosa Velocity Race. So the Vermosa Velocity Race is a race targeted for run clubs in track and field events. No? So this will be done again in the world-class track and field oval that we have in the Athletic Center in Vermosa. So that being said, the topic for today is really our Vermosa Victory Games. And we're very excited to talk about this because we've always envisioned to put together a premier large-scale grassroots sports tournament. We're here today and we're very thankful for the confidence and trust that the Ayala Vermosa estate has given to us to mount this event. So we're also excited because this forms part of the 8th year anniversary celebration of the Vermosa Sports Hub. So in that light, allow me to turn the mic over to our colleague, Ms. Lani, who can talk more about Ayala Vermosa.